Recently, the Meghalaya High Court had ordered the state government and the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council to dismantle the Ever Banalari restaurant cum guest house owned by Banalari Khongwar and Moon View Café owned by Philosopher Iawphniaw, as they are illegal and unauthorized constructions along the Guwahati Shillong Highway. Notices have also been directed at the two owners on the matter, which will be taken up in court on the 29th of September 2022. Following this order, the MDC of Jayau, Paul Lingdor, had called for a press conference on the 28th of September to announce the KHADC's stand on the Meghalaya Building Bylaws 2021, which has empowered the council as one of the competent authorities in regulating the construction of all types of buildings within its jurisdiction.
Official notification of the Khasi Hills Building and Structures Regulatory Authority, in short KHBSRA. The authority met for the first time to familiarize members with the responsibilities ahead. As you all are well aware, after the emergence of the Meghalaya Building Bylaws 2021, where the autonomous district councils have also been declared as competent authority, we are exercising that power, and in the current situation, as we see the humongous growth of tourism and the allied sectors, we could also see that there is a need to regulate the construction of these buildings, because already two such buildings have drawn the attention of the Meghalaya High Court. Moon View Café of Philosopher Iawphniaw and Ever Banalari Guest House and Restaurant of Mrs. B. Khongwar, which building permissions or lack of permissions have drawn the attention of the High Court. So today the council is left with no other choice but to proceed with the implementation of the building bylaws. And let me clarify this very clearly to all of you. This has to be as crystal clear as possible, that nobody can raise any structure, building, homestay, hotel, etc. in violation of the building bylaws. I have named the various types of buildings, and I would reiterate this point, that buildings that come for clearances from this authority includes residential buildings, apartment houses, special residential houses, educational buildings, mercantile and commercial buildings, institutional and medical buildings, government or semi-public business buildings, assembly buildings, places of worship which are exempted from payment of fees, industrial buildings, storage buildings, and hazardous buildings. So the process of execution of the work by the authority has started. Application forms are going to be available at the entry point to the council, that is here in Shillong, Nongpo, Nongstany, and Maukarwan.